In this tutorial I will show you how to rename apps on iPhone or iPad. Yes, you can actually rename apps on your iPhone or iPad, and it's easier than you might think. All you need is the Shortcuts app, which comes pre-installed on iOS. If it's missing, you can grab it for free from the App Store. Start by opening the Shortcuts app and creating a new shortcut. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Then search for the Open App action and add it. When the action appears, tap the word app and choose the app you want to rename. This can be any app on your device, whether it's a built-in one or something you downloaded from the App Store. Once you've selected the app, tap the small arrow next to Open App and choose the Rename option. Type in the new name you want to use and tap Done on your keyboard. Now that your shortcut is ready, it's time to put it on the home screen. Long press the shortcut. Tap Share. Select Add to Home Screen. Here you will get the chance to customize the look of the app. You can stick with the default colors or, if you want something unique, set a custom icon from your Photos library. Just tap the icon, choose Photo, pick the image you like, and confirm with Choose. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Add in the top right corner. Your renamed app will now appear on your home screen with the custom name and icon you've chosen. To keep things tidy, you may want to hide the original app. To do this, long press its icon, tap Remove App, and then select Remove from Home Screen. The app stays installed on your device, but only your renamed version is visible. And that's it. You've successfully renamed an iPhone app and even given it a custom icon.